Hello everyone and welcome to All Things Flossy. Thank you all for subscribing to my channel and thank you all for sticking with me. So in today's video I made this restaurant worthy Cajun chicken and shrimp pasta. This was amazingly delicious. This is what I had for dinner and it was so good. Stick with me and let's get right into the video. So to start seasoning, I made my own homemade Cajun season mix. I had some onion powder, garlic powder, oreganos, basil, black pepper, white pepper, cayenne pepper, paprika, salt, and thyme. Don't worry, I'm gonna add all the measurements in my description box. So you're gonna mix it all together. And whilst I was mixing, I remembered I had not added my thyme, and so I went on to add my thyme and then I mixed it all together. So I have my chicken breast. I'll be rubbing it on over, flip it, rub it on. I did about a teaspoon each on each side. With my shrimps, I added about 3 teaspoons of my mix, and I'm gonna mix it all together. So in my skillet, I'm adding 3 tablespoonfuls of butter. Whilst it's melting, I'm adding my chicken breast. Whilst it's cooking, I'm boiling my water for my pasta. I ended up adding my 4th chicken breast to it. I'm gonna flip on the side. I cooked each side for about 8 minutes. So I'll be checking on my water and it's boiling. I'm adding my pasta. I use the Linguine pasta. My chicken is all cooked. I'll be putting it on a plate to allow it to cool before I cut into it. So in the same skillet, I'm going to cook my shrimps. And I cook my shrimps for about 6 minutes. So colorful and it's so beautiful, and the smell is amazing too. Now my shrimps is all cooked. I will take it off my skillet. In the same skillet, I'm gonna add another 3 tablespoonfuls of butter. And I prepped my veggies. I have my red bell pepper, orange bell pepper, I have my green bell pepper, and I have some red onions. So I'm going to saute these vegetables until they are tender. And I'll be adding 2 cups of heavy cream. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of my Cajun mix seasoning, and I'll allow it to cook. So now that it's boiling, it's cooking, I will add my shrimps to it. After adding my shrimps, I added my pasta, which was all cooked, and I'll mix it all together. Here we have our Cajun shrimp and chicken pasta all ready. It's cooked. It smells good, it tastes amazingly delicious, and this is restaurant worthy, like I said. You can only get this from All Things Flossy. Yes, I did this. Smells so good. You can see all the shrimps in there, your vegetables, your pasta, and it's creamy. And you can see I cut into the chicken breast as well. It tasted so good. It was delicious. Thank you all for subscribing. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give your girl a thumbs up, like, share, and please subscribe. Until my next video, I want you to love God, love people, and I want you to stay graced up. Bye-bye.